The procedure draw with parameters length and direction is used to draw a line segment. Length, units long, in a given direction, left, right, up, or down, starting at the current cursor position. The cursor is then repositioned at the end of the line segment that was drawn. Consider the following program where the cursor starts in the upper left corner of a grid of dots. The dots are spaced 1 unit apart. Which of the following represents the figure that is drawn by the program? So we have this code that just use a bunch that calls the draw procedure multiple times with different lengths and different directions. So let's just go line by line and draw what this would look like. So the question said we're going to start in the upper left corner. So we'll just start up here. And the first line says draw a line of length 1 and it faces the right direction. So we're just gonna, I'll just draw a line that goes to the right, if I can get it to be straight, there. Then our cursor is repositioned at the end of the line segment we just drew. Then line 2 says draw 2 segments down. So we'll try and make this double the length and just go down 2 segments. And then line 3, here we'll put a check mark every line. So draw 1 unit going left. Okay, so we'll just go back here. 1 unit to the left will be in line with the first line we drew up here. And our cursor is back on this dot here. And then draw 1 unit to the right. Since we were here and we drew to the left, now we're just redrawing over this line. So it doesn't change the drawing. All it did was change where our cursor is located. Now our cursor is located right here. So done with that statement, and then draw 1 unit up. So now we're just gonna go back up 1 unit. But remember that this line here was 2 units. So we're not gonna go all the way up back to where we were. We're gonna go up halfway. So our cursor is now here. So now for the last line, it says draw 1 unit to the left. So we were here, and so the left, we're going to go this way, and we're only going to go 1 unit. So in the end, we kind of made this backwards looking E. So now if we look at the answer choices, A is wrong because this is a normal facing E. It's facing to the right. B, that looks exactly like what we drew. C has this line going to the right. It should have gone to the left. And then D does not look like what we drew at all. So B is the correct answer.